Okay, on this video we're going to be learning how to do a single crochet, and you're going to be making a washcloth about like this. It's going to have 20 stitches, so you're going to follow the directions from the first video. For the chain stitch, you're going to make 20 on a chain, and you're going to add one more at the end. So that's to allow to go up for the next row. So then I'm going to skip that one that I just created, and then I'm going to go in to this hole right here and pull my yarn through. I'm going to have two here, at the same time on the crochet hook, and yarn over and pull the yarn through both of them. So I'm going to show that to you again. You're going to go in to the stitch, yarn over, pull that through. You have two, pull the yarn through again. So I'm going to have you watch that at your own pace. Two, yarn over, pull that through both. So this is the same idea as what we did in the class when we were crocheting around the plate, if any of you guys were there. It's a little easier than doing it actually on the chain. So again, go in, yarn over, pull the yarn through. You have two stitches, yarn over, pull that through both of the stitches. I'm going to demonstrate that a couple more times. And essentially you're going to go all the way through to the end. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to pause you guys for a little bit, and then I'll show you what to do when you get to the end. Okay, so here we're continuing. I'm almost at the end of the row here. So we're learning how to do a single crochet. So first there was a chain stitch, and then 20 of them, and then we've been doing single crochet all the way over to this end. So I'm going through the loop. I have two, yarn over, pull the yarn through both of the loops. Now here was my knot when I created the first loop here. So I'm not going to go through that. This is my last one here. So I'm going to go ahead and go through, pull the yarn through, yarn over, and pull it through both of them. And that will fix itself in a little bit. But at this point, before we turn, I'm going to create one more chain stitch right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn. So I'm going to turn the work this way to my left. And now I'm not going to go through this part here because this was my stitch right here. But I'm going to go through this one right here. So go through, have two stitches, and pull your yarn through. So then you're going to go into each one of these holes like that. So first one, or actually second one now, go through, and then pull it through both. Go through the hole, yarn over, pull that through. You have two, yarn over, pull that through both of them. Just going to have you watch this. And this is what you keep doing all the way to the end here. And then you turn the same way as we did. Remember to create that one extra stitch when you're turning, before you're turning. And you will end up with something like this. So this is where I started on the bottom, and you keep going and make it as big as you want. So this is kind of a square, as you can see. And then at the end, when I got to the end, I actually just created a little loop so it can hang off the loop like this. So you just chain a long chain, and I came back in here and attached it to here and knotted it and took the piece, the leftover piece yarn that I had from the end, and wove it through to the work. So that's what you can make with single crochet.